Hey everybody, Chris here with Tomorrow Mastery. What is going on with GameStop? It is utterly crazy. I'll tell you what's going on with it and what the heck a short squeeze is as soon as you squash down that like button and subscribe to the channel. And let's get started as soon as you sign up for Webull and get your 4 free stocks valued up to $3,700. Come on, it's free money. It's a reminder, not a financial expert advisor here, so you should always do your research and definitely do your own research for sure. So let's get started. GameStop, it's been going crazy. Yeah. So let's talk about kind of what has been going on. So first of all, we need to understand a few things. What got this started is that institutional investors like hedge funds, they have been shorting the GameStop stock, ticker symbol GME. What this means is that it is a strategy to make money on a stock drop. So basically, they are betting that the stock is going to go down. And what the actual mechanics of this is that they are borrowing and selling the stock, and then at a later date they will buy it at a lower price because they're betting that it'll go down, and they pocket the difference. Quick example of this is if it's something selling for $10, they'll short the stock at 10, sell it off, and then at a later date when it goes down to say $9, they will buy it again for $9 and return the borrowed stock, and then they'll pocket the $1 difference. So that's a really oversimplified version of that, what a short means. So, you know, what can go wrong? Well, here comes a new challenger, Wall Street Bets. Yes. So, in the last couple of months, so this has been a little ongoing, but 2 weeks ago it was confirmed that Chewy founder Ryan Cohen and two other Chewy executives have joined GameStop as on their board of directors. So if you didn't know, Chewy is a online retail for pet foods, and so and if you didn't know, GameStop is a brick and mortar store. So this kind of there's some hope that these guys are going to go ahead and turn the business around on GameStop. So, again, very oversimplifying. Wall Street Bets is saying, hey, we like the stock, we're buying and holding, and we're going to keep buying more and more. So what does this mean to all those short sellers out there? Is remember the short sellers, they're trying to make money as the stock goes down, but instead when people are buying more stocks and they're holding it and they're not selling it, the price keeps going up. So here comes the squeeze. What a short squeeze means is that, like I said, the price keeps going up. So the short squeeze pushes the prices higher. Um, so let's come back to that example where the short is $9 on, or the stock is $10, and these hedge funds and institutional investors and traders, they're betting that it'll go down. So if it doesn't go down and that $10 becomes say $15, they panic, or they already have some stop losses in place that'll say, okay, we're going to cut our losses short before it gets even higher than 15. So they buy the stock at 15 to return the borrowed at 10, and then they lose $5 on that transaction. So now, because they did this, they're buying more stock, and in return they're pushing the stock prices higher. So that's what it means by the short squeeze, pushing the prices higher. So because of the typical way they go about handling these type of things is that typically short squeezes, there will come a time when the bubble pops. So a lot of the institutional investors, they're doubling down on their shorts. So, they have these stop losses that are force them to leave their short positions. But they look at the for example, the um, fundamentals and the financials of the company, and they're saying, this is still overpriced. It's now even more overpriced, so they open even more short positions, because I guess that's what they do, and they're trying to make money. They think that it's going to fall down in a short period of time, so they open up more shorts. And what they're underestimating is the fact that the retail investors, people like you and me, and Wall Street Bets, they are holding and buying more, and compound that with the short squeeze itself. Prices keep skyrocketing, and it's kind of nuts. So what we have here is at 4:08 p.m. Elon Musk tweets Gamestonk, and he puts a link to Wall Street Bets. So that's, I guess it's legitimate if Elon Musk tweets about it, or it's meme worthy at least. So let's talk about the ride so far. On Friday, so just a little background. I didn't put the stats here, but in December, I think we're trading around like $20 or so. As of last Friday, there was a high of $101, closing at 65. Yesterday, Monday, it was a high of 159 and closed at 77. Today, Tuesday, the stock closed at 143, and what's even crazier is after hours we hit a high of 248.90, and right now, Robinhood is telling me that the stock is at 209.25. So, yeah, it's we're skyrocketing to the moon, maybe to Mars or further. So, some other stats I want to share is that so far, the short sellers in 2021 have already lost $5 billion. That's billion with a B. And Melvin Capital, they've already required a 2.75 billion cash infusion to cover all the losses from the short positions just on GameStop alone. And another thing that's not on the screen is the fact that today, GameStop has traded. There's more trades been done on it. The volume is higher than the S&P 500, and actually any stock has been the highest traded stock today. So a lot of craziness altogether. So yeah, what does this really mean? I really don't know. All I know is that right here, the lesson is that don't underestimate the retail investors and Reddit. Um, yeah, as for what you should do for yourself, I don't know. It's up to you. It's your money. If you want to YOLO and join the army on Wall Street Bets, go right ahead and do that yourself. Personally, I will not likely do that. If you go on there right now, you'll see a lot of weird comments and crazy comments. People are saying that they're gonna keep holding, they're gonna keep buying. They're saying that, oh, 200, no problem, they'll just keep buying. And for whatever reason, some people really believe that the GameStop is going to turn around, their business model is going to turn around. Other people are just trying to stick it to the man and prove these you know institutional investors and traders that they can't push us around with their old fashioned strategies. The world has changed. So however you want to look at it, this is definitely something that's unprecedented, and that's why it's late tonight and I was like, oh, I need to make a video on it. So yeah, if you like this video, go ahead and squash that like button, subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this, and good luck investing, and I'll see you on the next video.